In this module, we'll explore media queries. Media queries allow us to load different CSS properties into our page at different browser sizes. Media queries can make our site more responsive, meaning that all the elements on our site look great across all devices. A huge amount of website traffic is from mobile devices. By failing to make our website mobile-friendly or responsive, we would definitely lose a lot of clients. Let's look at some of the non-responsive elements in our current page. First, you'll notice that when our site is viewed on a smaller browser, the background tiles. Second, notice what happens to our menu when our browser goes to a mobile browser size. Let's fix both of these issues with media queries. First, let's add a mobile-friendly way of accessing our menu on a small screen. We'll add a menu image called a hamburger above our UL. We'll erase the UL for now to see what the hamburger looks like. That looks good, but let's add some padding. We don't want the hamburger to display by default, so we'll write display, then none. Now the hamburger is hidden. Now let's bring back our UL and write our first media query. When our browser has a maximum width of 600 pixels, we want the UL to disappear and the hamburger to appear. First, we'll write our media query by writing @media, then screen, then and then max width in brackets. We'll put 600 pixels as the max width. It's good to note here that there are some predefined widths specified for popular mobile devices. View the handout in this module titled Breakpoints for more information. What we've specified here is that at a maximum width of 600 pixels, the CSS within the curly brackets will take effect. The first thing that we'll do at this width is make the UL disappear. The next thing that we'll do is make the hamburger appear. We'll make it display block in this case. That works nicely. Now let's fix the background issue. Notice that at around this width, about 1,200 pixels, our background begins to tile. We can make a media query for a max width of 1,200 pixels and simply change the background size. In a media query, only the properties that are changing need to be written. Now, at 1,200 pixels, our image stays at 1,200 pixels wide and looks good. By using media queries, we can create more responsive sites.